One.
Where's the football go? I'll put the football over here then. Hey, I'll go to the
I'm gonna do music real quick.
Okay.
I have a playlist on. Okay.
I think I know that now. Now I realize. In the game. Sorry for my brother. The amazing house of amazingness.
To my house. To my house we go, YouTube. Even though my house looks like a dump.
That's 100% true. I have a good living space. This is a bedroom. Oh, you have a trailer house? My brother has an igloo wrecked.
I've been working on my house, okay, child?
Do you have punch bowls?
Me?
Yeah, punch bowls.
I do? Where? I'm
Do you have one?
No, I don't, child.
Where's the second place, Matt? I have.
Well, I live in my own house, so I'm gonna just add a couple things in. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait until my I don't care, Maddie. Honestly.
In your bed at night. Hello, Al. Me everywhere. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
I just sent it to you in text. Just sent it to you.
Wow.
ID. Okay. What should we do now, child? Should we go to a party? I'm going to a party.
Okay, so go party.
I'm gonna reset just to. I TP'd somewhere else, child.
Yeah.
Baby Nathan can't walk, can't talk or walk or crawl.
Wow. Me in my epic video.
I do not like people that. Do you wanna? We're going to a dance. We're going to a social party. I'm going to the one that has the most likes.
Big leg.
Join. All right, I just joined.
Nothing here was his luscious red hair lock. Let's see if this party is good or not.
Oh no, they're playing hit or miss.
They're playing hit or miss?
Yeah.
Why are there so many Americans over here? Why is it Oh wow, everybody's wearing your hood.
What?
Everybody's wearing your Santa hood. So this is life right now. My life so far. My life in a nutshell. My life in a nutshell box.
Should I get more? I'm gonna get money.
How much my god, a girl looks like Kristen.
Hit or miss. I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss you. Okay, this song is trash. We're going to another game.
Yay!
Join me in another game, child. Oh wait, you can't, so. I was gonna go into Bloxburg.
Royal High?
No.
Wait, are you still wrecked?
No, we're playing Dragon's Life, okay?
Okay.
Good. Let me put on music. Yeah.
How about Mr. Pie?
I'm sorry, YouTube, for the background noise.
Oh, wow.
It up. So who you gonna go, Cardi?
Doesn't that music video have, like, curses in it?
Red light, stop. My heart, let's give it now. I don't know.
I will play Royal High right now so you'll get in the game.
I'm not playing Royal High. You have to join my game if you want me to play.
Oh, there we go.
Are you in Dragon's Life?
I'm going in.
What? You're in Dragon's Life or not?
I'm getting in the game. Hey, I got a bed. Play Dragon's Life. Wow, that's a bed. You're the best practice ever where you just get the guy to join the game. Like, you never tried to just get into the game and it's like, congratulations, you just went to the game. I'm getting
What?
tutorial. Hello?
What? Romulus? Remus?
Tutorial.
What? I'm not playing Royal High. That game is like the worst.
I'm in a game. What age should I be?
I'm being a teen. You can be a kid or an adult. I don't really care, honestly.
I want to be either a newborn or an egg.
No! We're not doing a newborn roleplay. We are not doing that.
That's not what I'm doing. How are you playing right now? Customize your dragon eye color. Ooh.
Father, please. Chill.
Sure.
Wait, once you customize your dragon, can you customize it again? Once you die.
The second thing.
So what are you watching, guys? Wait, what's your eye color? What's your dragon's eye color?
Mine are orange.
Okay.
I was broken, 3 young age to get us open from the masses, but I'm
Primary color?
I don't know. My primary is black.
Okay.
I'm an ice dragon.
I'm very lonely. Secondary color?
Blue. And then put your textures on ice and marble. So like for primary, do marble and then everything else ice.
I can't like scroll down.
Oh, okay. You can scroll down on the when it says like all the stuff, but it's fine.
Not okay. As long as the body mod. Are you straight or swirled?
What?
You want straight or swirled?
Mine are all straight. Mine's like you don't have to click anything unless you want to. And then my
what about your tail tip?
3 spears, I think.
What?
There are 3 spikes.
Okay. Oh, triple rhombus. Yeah, scroll down. Wow. And concrete cobblestone. I will make the full screen so that way I can get permanent. Where's mode? I'm in full screen now. Let's see.
My name is Ice. I am strong, cool, a YouTuber, nice, brave, mean, and protective.
Why can't I pick anything besides like sand target or cobblestone? How come I can't just slow down?
I have no clue.
Me neither. Wait. Scientist. It doesn't say anything about the materials.
Oh, that's weird. It does for me. Hey, you break me up, believer. Hey, believer.
Wait. Spikes?
Yeah.
What's your spikes color?
It's fine. You know what? It's fine. They're all blue, besides the primary colors.
So everything is blue?
No, half of my body is black. The other half is blue. Well, only the primary color is black. Black.
Okay. I think I got it down beside these stupid patterns that won't work. Like, why won't it? I know. That's right, right? Bam. I'll just take everything from mine sand. No, cobblestone. Everything can be only cobblestone. No, wait. Sand. Sand. Yeah.
Menu. Team.
What's your element?
Ice.
Okay. Ice.
Back time.
What color are what's the color of whenever you breathe like ice?
Blue, I think. Wait. Yeah, no, it's green. Sorry, it's green. Sorry about that.
Okay.
I'm flying around by the spawn, and then if you're on PC.
Your dragon's name.
What?
What's your dragon's name?
Mommy Allie.
Okay, so I'll be Little Allie.
Please don't.
Fine.
Thank you, child.
Alex.
Really?
Description. Sister is
The refacing.
Allie. I'll be a female. I'm spawn. I'm spawning right now. I look luscious. Where are you? How do you fly?
Are you on PC?
Yeah.
Do I even see you?
You have to double tap, just like in Real High.
Where are you?
I see you!
Oh! Sister! Sister Slimy!
Hey!
Alright, follow me. Follow me, sister.
Okay.
You gotta follow me. If you do not, then I will not help you.
It's like Shud Seekers.
You find me?
Yeah, I'm right here, boy.
Good child.
I think there you are. I was like, where the hell are you? Then I found you. How do you do fire? Oh, you press G?
Yeah.
Fire.
Wait, do it at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. Sister. This is our island. And then just follow me real quick. Follow me, child, please.
I need to go fast.
Yeah.
Oh, you can be a daredevil. You can be a dragon. Walk the tightrope.
Wait, follow me.
I'm glad you have luscious colors, so that way we can follow each other wherever we want to go. Wait, Paxton's family.
Honestly, if you want, no, I can't create it. If you can create it, that's fine.
Okay, I'll create a pack so my brother can be in it.
Okay, child.
I'll create a family,